we're all about having the right people on the bus, but when you have a team on a bus, you also have to know how you're going to work together. And this platform has elevated our ability to understand and connect with one another. And that makes us better at business. If you look across our organization, we are very high interpersonal sensitivity. So basically conflict avoidant, like it's really kind of like touch and go on a daily basis when we're coaching our team on how to handle conflict well and to communicate it in a way that's going to be effective and push the team forward. Cloverleaf is perfect for being able to help us to be able to lead our team and guide them. We don't have to be the experts. We can go into the platform and use all of the data. If you are looking to enhance your organization in a way where you're really looking at a people-focused team and how they relate with one another and how they show up every single day, this is the platform for you. Before we had Cloverleaf, we had this born yesterday moment where me and our other L&D team member were looking at this Excel we had, and we would outline everybody's top 5 strengths in the organization. And then we were sitting there with Cloverleaf open and we were like, why do we still do this? Like, all the answers are inside of Cloverleaf. So we looked at each other and we're like, this is the last day we will use this Excel, and we have not looked back.